Good morning and happy Sunday, everyone. I have a few purchases that I wanted to share with you all. I've been seeing this strawberry fabric all over Instagram and YouTube as people were making the strawberry dress. Now, I don't have any intentions on making the strawberry dress, but I do think that the fabric is just luscious. Back in March, my husband and I were in Hobby Lobby, and I went in there specifically to find a planner. He went to find some things for his man cave as usual, and I went to look for a vertical planner. Now, I do already use the Happy Planner system, and I was using the dashboard system. Now, back when I did my Happy Planner video, I showed you all the dashboard layout along with the sewing planner that I purchased. 85th and Wade shared with me that she uses the vertical layout and she uses it to plan her YouTube and Instagram posts and things like that. As I started to think about how I was using the dashboard layout, I felt the vertical layout might be worth giving it a try. So when I was in Hobby Lobby, I went ahead to the planner section, and guess what, guys? I found a vertical planner on clearance for $10. How could I pass that up? I went ahead and purchased it, and I started using it right away. And I found that it is literally how my brain works from day to day. It's divided into three sections. You can use them as you like. For me, I use my first section as work, my middle section for things that need to probably like go on in the evening or at home. And then my last section is like for my YouTube and my Instagram and my sewing. It's literally my brain on paper. A lot of information. Needless to say, I'm enjoying this planner, and I'm currently looking for the 2024 planner. Also, I'm waiting for them to drop the 2024 sewing planner because I am in love with that thing. It is perfect for a sewist. Let's talk about the fabric that I purchased. While I was in the store, I did head on over to that fabric section. You know, yeah, my husband wasn't surprised to find me over there because I just tend to find myself over there when I'm anywhere where fabric is. It's just like inevitable. I found this beautiful pink rib knit strawberry fabric. It was literally calling my name, but I declined and said, no, you don't need any more fabric. You have plenty. So maybe a day or so later, I'm on YouTube and I'm scrolling through watching other sewers videos, and I scroll across a video by We See Style. And I swear this was a sign from the fabric gods that I needed to go purchase that strawberry fabric. In her video, on her dress form, is something that she's working on with strawberry fabric. Now, I don't think in the video she talks about the fabric or anything that she's going to make it, but it is literally just sitting there, and I'm looking at it like, oh my God, that is so beautiful. I'm going back to get that fabric. And what did I do? I went back and I got that fabric. I said I was only going to get 2 yards because, like I said, I did not have any intentions of making a dress. So I know I didn't need a lot. I just wanted a little bit to do a little something with, okay? I got to Hobby Lobby, and thank God the fabric was still there. I'm in line, and I'm like, okay, I'm just getting 2 yards. I asked the lady for 2 yards, and she rolls off exactly 2 yards of fabric, all that was left on the boat, right? How lucky was I? This fabric is absolutely gorgeous. It is so pretty. It's very soft. It's so pretty, so soft, and it just makes my mouth water for some reason. It reminds me of strawberry flavored Starburst and taffy and all the wonderful things strawberry flavored. Right before the Hobby Lobby trip, I made my way over to Joann's, and they were having a sale on their woven novelty fabrics. I think it was like 30 or 40% off. I can't really remember. When I saw this fabric, I wasn't passing it up. This beautiful black, white, and gold queen bee fabric literally was made for me. It was waiting for me. Is that upside down? I can't tell. Is it backwards for you guys? I don't know. But anyway, this fabric was literally waiting for me. I took it to the counter and I was going to get 3 yards of this. Guys, exactly 3 yards of this waiting for me. It may have been even maybe a fourth of a yard more, and she went ahead and gave it to me because it was the end of the bolt. And I kept the bolt that it came on as well. Yeah, 100% cotton. Very, very beautiful. Of course, when I made it home, I had to tell my husband about it because he knows I'm on a no more fabric purchasing thing. But he was like, I know you had to get it, babe. It says Queen B. He knows me. So he was perfectly okay with it. But I have not made any more fabric purchases since that. And I am very proud of myself. I do have a pattern haul to share with you guys, as well as some upcoming things that you'll see in the next month. And I'm very excited for. But stay tuned because you're gonna love it. Until next time, keep sewing.